My name is David Kile, and I'm the owner of Texas Dependable Inspection Services. I've been in business now for 12 years. We started in 2013. The things that set me apart from other companies in my industry, I believe, is going to be mainly my experience in residential construction, my experience with commercial. That started back in 1983 with residential. In the early 2000s, I was involved with commercial construction setups. Plus, I have multiple licenses and a whole lot of certifications to back me up. So I get asked a lot about how I go through the inspection. I pull up to the front of the property. In my head, I imagine the whole building being pulled apart into an exploded view, and then I start going and putting it back together as I do my inspections. One system goes to the next, how it all connects. And I'm studying any kind of indication where something might have failed along the way and got covered up or something like that. I do my process of my inspection, I follow the same pattern every single time, no matter what, and I put it all back together in my head until I get a complete picture back there and the report is written.